Hello, my name is Noemi Carrasco,
And my name is Julia Flores.
and today we're gonna demonstrate you guys how do we create an ecosystem in Start Logo Nova. So first, you need to see over here where it says New Project and gives you 3 options, but in our preference, we chose First Person Action. Then,
The first-person action game provided us with the basic coding blocks, and we just went off of that. First, we planned on which animals we were going to use for the energy pyramid that we had to create, and we used a coyote, raccoon, and a frog, which the dog is taking place for a coyote.
we had difficulties making this since we went off with different coding. We tried to create our own coding, but that didn't work out, so we had to figure out which code would have helped us the most. We used the grass, it's just for it to look like presentable, I guess. To look nice.
We created each character using this basic coding, which is just the create coding block and then the set my 3 times, so we can set the shape, the size, and the color of whichever character we needed to add, and we repeated this 4 times in order to get the results we wanted.
We also had to think about each size of each animal. If it was too big, if the grass was too big, we couldn't see the animals.
Yeah, and
But if it was too small, we couldn't see the grass.
yeah. We had to make sure that the animals were proportionate to other animals. As in, we had to make sure the frog looked small to the raccoon, and the coyote
Look larger than the raccoon.
Yeah, and the frog.
So,
and then, after we finished the coding, we ran the code and we got a result, which is this right here. We have 3 dogs, around 100 raccoons.
150 raccoons.
150 raccoons, and how many frogs?
And 50 frogs.
50 frogs, yes. And all 3 dogs move. They move at the same time. They're symmetrical. And
as you can see, dogs are eating.
Yeah.
Which are the coyotes. They're eating the raccoons.
Yeah, the coyotes eat the raccoons and also the frogs, which is really nice.
In addition, you can do this at home with different ecosystems. Like you could do an ocean, you can do different types. It's just based on your coding and how you build it. It's your result.
Mm-hmm. And just make sure that you double check your coding, because sometimes you think you're doing it right, but then you forget to fill in something, and then it doesn't work because you missed something. That happened to us multiple times actually, and we had to quadruple check the code to make sure we had everything filled out. Because if one code block was missing, then the whole entire simulation wouldn't work.
So right here, where's this turtle? We change it to other characters, and when we changed it to other characters, it affected our simulation since we couldn't control the coyotes since it was in other characters. So it has to be
in turtles.
in turtle.
Yeah.
and the other ones can be controlled. So that's why there are other characters right here. Thank you guys for
watching. Hopefully, you guys understand how to make an ecosystem, not only an ecosystem, just an actual game if you want to try it.
and it's very simple
Yeah,
to do.
and it works. It works really fine. Bye.
Bye.